Lithium Battery Recycling Plant. The final products of this plant is graphite powder, cobalt acid lithium, aluminum and copper. The pretreatment process of lithium battery recycling plant mainly comprises the following steps: shredder, hammer crusher, grinder, separation machine, collector, pulse purifier, classifying screen, magnetic machine, gravity separator, high pressure blowover. Shredder shredded the lithium batteries into smaller pieces. Hammer crusher for the secondary crushing of shredded materials. Grinder for the grinding of the crushed materials. Separation machine separated the materials after being ground. Collector collect and release the dust. Pulse purifier air cleaner clean all the dust produced during the operation of the whole system. Classifying screen screen the materials sorted by the separation machine and screen out of larger metal materials. Magnetic machine separate nickel from the metals. Gravity separator separate those finer materials got from the screening machine and separate the metal completely. High pressure blowover keep the whole system in a negative state so as to collect the materials and purify the air.